Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your POCO M7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go into the settings. This is the first thing we're gonna do. And here we're gonna select the Bluetooth settings. So we wanna go over, and if your Bluetooth is enabled, then make sure to disable it and enable it again. Now, what you guys want to do next is, if you got a device here that you used, then make sure to unpair it and then repair it again. Every device is different, so you need to do that on your own. There's no easy tutorial for it. If you knew how to pair it once, then you will have to do that again, because every device is different. For me, I got the AirPods 3 Pros, so they're not like the AirPod 2s where you hold the button, you double tap here. So this is a bit different, and yeah, every device is different now. So just repair it again, and after that, what you guys want to do is restart the Bluetooth and the phone, and of course the Bluetooth device. So we're gonna restart Bluetooth once again. Now we're gonna restart the device by holding power button and the volume up button, and swipe down to reboot. And for the, let's say, my AirPods, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, and we need to do that fast so this changes red. Now it's red, and now it's back again to pairing. So now we can repair it again with this device. So I'll see you guys once this device restarts completely. Now, after the restart of every single device, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna update our software as a last resort to fix our Bluetooth. So we're gonna go over to settings. Now in those settings, we wanna go to about phone right up top here, and then we're gonna click on HyperOS. As you guys can see, it's checking now, and I have no updates available, but if you guys do and you see a button to update your software, make sure to hit it. We are going to update our software every once in a while, because we need to get rid of any old glitches that we had, and after you update your software, your phone will feel definitely much better, because it won't have any old glitches regarding the Bluetooth. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.